This is Jean Watson, and for many of you, you know about the singing bowls, but for those who do not know, I have been using these for a number of years to capture symbolically, metaphorically, energetically, if not scientifically, to the chakra systems, and particularly the singing bowl, which is calibrated to the vibration of the human heart. As we know, caring resides in our heart. And caring and compassion resides in our heart. Love is in our heart. The very source for sustaining our humanity is in our heart. And so I've been using these singing bowls, and they're available through the Watson Carrying Science Institute store. And many of you have these, but often people do not know how to make them sing. So I wanted to just simply give you a brief lesson on how to make them sing. First of all, you just hold it gently but firmly in your hand, in your left hand if you're right-handed, obviously. And then as it's stable in your hand, you gently tap it. Tap it first to kind of make it sound. And then with a little gentle pressure, you bring the mallet firmly and slowly around the rim of the singing bowl. As long as you want to make it sing, and then you can let it go. And you can use this for parts of your body or to radiate this vibration throughout the room where you're sitting. If you have a part of your body that you want to kind of vibrate for a higher frequency, for example, your head or your consciousness, you can hold it around your head or around your heart. And when you wish to have it stop, you can either touch it and it becomes silent, or when you are presenting, if you wish to bring closure to your session with the singing bowl, then you 1, 2, 3, tap it and let it ring until it vibrates to silence. So I wish you blessings and love and rhythm and vibrations of the heart for your practice of the singing bowl and your use of the singing bowls. And I hope this is helpful. I wish to also acknowledge that these singing bowls are handmade in Nepal, and we purchased them and they're commissioned by Watson Carrying Science Institute for the calibration of the heart and other ones of the chakra. So I use the F1, which is the heart, and the other one is for the throat and for the higher vibration of this crown chakra. But we have them available for all the chakras, but particularly I encourage the F1, which is the heart. So much success to you, and thank you for the opportunity to share this little bit of teaching about the singing bowls with you.